This is the ROVE RS-4K Pro.
Recording started.
Probably one of the best quality and reliable dash cams that I have used. Plus, it's one of those products that you don't want to wait until it's too late to get. With its Wi-Fi, GPS, and quality build, including a big screen to preview your video and see a lot of information. It takes a micro SD card for local storage. There's also an AV out so you can preview this on a bigger screen. And on the bottom, you have your speakers and microphone for recording the audio. And then on the front, you have the 4K camera that records 30 frames per second, and it looks really good. With the installation, you could just mount this on your window with a suction cup mount, and it twists on to make it very tight and secure. And you can use their kit to wire it to your battery. That way you can keep this thing monitoring your car even when it's off, and also not sucking the car battery dry. It's very easy to set up, and it comes with all the cables that you need to do that. Or you could just run a long USB-C to a car charger. You can connect your phone to the Wi-Fi and then use the app to preview the footage in real time or watch older videos. Through that app, you can also change all the settings in case you couldn't do it through the camera. And they give you a lot of settings to adjust, like with the camera resolution, you can do 4K or you can do 2K at 60 frames per second. You could set the loop recording for 1 minute or 2 minutes, or just always on up to 4 gigabytes, and then it kind of recycles over itself. And this is a great feature in case something does happen and you hit that emergency button. It has everything recorded and it's stored on the drive. There is a G sensor as well to detect if something happens, like a sudden hit or a sudden motion, and it will start to capture immediately. And then through the settings, you can adjust just how hard or soft that hit is in case you're on a bumpy road. There is wide dynamic range, giving better light to underexposed spots, or you can manually adjust the exposure level yourself. If you're going on a long road trip and you want to just capture a time lapse, you can do that here. You can also change the video compression, enable 24-hour parking mode, which starts a time-lapse or motion recording, or even a collision recording when your car is turned off. And you could even set the level of G-force for that collision recording. You can enable or disable the mic, you can add or remove different video stamps, and there's just way more settings that you can go through and adjust. This thing is very impressive, and the video quality is just some of the best that I've ever seen from a dash cam. And for that, I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.
Now.